We gonna find out. 1 on a scale. Yeah, because I think they got a way to see how much the junk weigh, and however much the junk weigh, yeah, it's how much you have to pay. So yeah, keep going. The junkyard. Gotta get rid of the junk.
But this includes the truck too, though.
No, I'm guessing that. I hope they know the difference. So.
Hello.
Okay, 6,000 pounds. That's light. That's lightweight.
Oh, let me see if it weighs me in too. Not even. I don't even affect it.
It don't even affect it at all. Crazy. Crazy.
40?
Why? I'm low on air pressure.
Oh, it's 35. Just on a. Not really.
Not really. So you need ID, credit card, and everything. So I ain't really got a lot of junk today. So it was only $18 for the junk removal fee. That ain't bad at all. And this is Charlotte, North Carolina, junkyard. Oh, this lady is so nice. I love people with good attitudes. People with good attitudes, they make my day. I promise you. All right, so we got to go 2 different places. No, I'm going to look at it.
All right, so I'm going to go to, she said recycling goes with the metal, right? No, she said scrap.
Yeah. So the metal goes with the metal. The cardboards go with the cardboard.
We don't got cardboards though, do we?
I don't think so.
We got wood.
The wood. So where is the metal?
Scrap. Okay.
With scrap.
I understand it now, Mom.
So scrap is regular trash?
Yeah, this scrap right here. This might throw away a good lawnmower. Well, it's not good.
Oh, a ride lawnmower?
There's probably something wrong with it. It's finna make a lot of noise. I'm trying to tell you, I'm finna throw it.
Oh, you about to be...
What I should do first?
What you about to do?
Oh, we do got cardboard. That sucks.
We got cardboard?
Where'd you say cardboard go?
I don't know. God, boy, I'm trying to figure it out too. Shit.
Alright, so I'm gonna go over here first.
Yeah.
I think you said cardboard go in the red things. Okay.
So which one you discard first?
Everything that's at the back first.
The metal is at the front of the truck.
That's what I'm saying.
Regular trash is at the beginning of the truck.
That's what I'm saying. So I'm going regular trash first.
Regular trash.
They ain't listening like at all. She said cardboard goes in the
That's
cardboard.
how humans is. I'm trying to tell you.
They threw it right over here.
Human nature, brother.
It's because they're... No, I can't say
No. All right. So we got to dump all this stuff, y'all. Come on, y'all. Come on, Big Vic. Show them what you got. Show them what you got. Show them. Oh, my God. He did it. He did it, bro. Brother. See, my son and brother ain't at the same time. See, I would help, but I got my dress on. My son said he'd do it for me.
Whoa, why you touching stuff?
Okay, all right, you got it. Hey, he's such a gentleman. His son, he take good care of his mama. I love my son. He take good care of his mama, bro. Good job. Pinkie Finest Trucking, LLC. You did that. He's so strong. Look at the muscles working. Look at he's so strong. Look at the mother. Look, he did it. You throw that mirror. Take your frustration out on the mirror, Victor. Oh my God. Come on. What you gonna do with the boxes though? What you gonna do?
Take them to the red box.
Word. Now we just got the metal. Come on, y'all.
Now it's time to go have fun with the real big stuff.
Can you do the real big stuff by yourself?
I ain't gonna lie, I've been waiting for this moment all my life.
What moment? The junkyard? But stop it, Victor.
Sorry.
Whoa. Damn young kids and they fucking heavy ass foot.
Sorry, Mom.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
I had a lot of adrenaline running through me, so I kind of got too excited. I won't let it happen again, though.
Help me. Help.
You're okay, Mom.
No.
I promise.
No. I'm scared.
I want them to move, because I want his spot.
What?
I'm wait till that old guy move.
Why you gotta be an old guy, though?
I mean, that's just what he
Nah.
is. He was an old guy.
Boy, you know what? What?
I'm gonna actually take this.
What you gonna take?
I'm gonna do the boxes first, so I'll wait for him.
Where the boxes? You just threw the boxes off.
Boxes go in red bins, remember?
Oh, the bins are the bins?
Yeah, cardboard only. We
Word.
got cardboard back there.
Okay, let's go. All right, so we ain't got a lot of cardboard.
Not really.
No?
Not really.
Word. I gotta help you.
No, you don't.
I don't.
Nope.
Oh, okay. Thank you, son. You are the greatest son a mom could ever ask for.
You already know.
You are the best son that a mom could really ever ask for. I'm trying to tell you. Look at all them Amazons. Amazon need to. I'm telling you.
Sponsor you, don't they?
That's what I'm trying to say. I stay fucking promoting them. Like I need to sign up for the Amazon affiliate for real.
Yeah, be an affiliate.
That's what I need to do.
Hold on, watch the maneuver.
Do it. Dump. Oh. What? All right, go here to the other side. I'm gonna film you. Look at him. He went from a little boy to a whole grown man dumping garbage for his mama. Look. Look at this man. Look at this man. He was not always a man. He was my whole baby boy. I remember when he was a newborn baby. Now he a grown man backing up my pickup truck, friend. I can't believe it. I can't. I don't know what to say anymore. I don't know. Look at him. Look, he's throwing bikes. Oh my God. He's so strong. Like what the? Oh. Look how much. Look how America. Look how America just wastes stuff. Look at all this stuff that America wastes. People in third world countries looking at America like they are some wasteful people. Now, can you do it? You need me to help you? Not even?
I don't know if I want to be mean with this one though.
Be mean.
I think I'm gonna have to.
You gonna have to. Body slam it, bro. Pick it up and bro.
I gotta get it as far as I can.
You drop kick that motherfucker up. There you go. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. You did that, bro.
You want all that stuff in there?
No, that's mine. I need my straps. Oh, this can go too, Victor. This right here. Appliances.
You said what too?
This can go like right here.
This right here?
Yeah.
Alright.
That broke. I had to buy another one.
Let's get it.
This can go to the whole thing. I paid all that money and it broke. Boom. There you go. Good job, son. I'm proud of you, brethren.
Yes, sir.
Hey, brethren. I'm proud, bro. Everybody got a good attitude today. They just making my day. They making my day.
That was nice to me.
I know. Well, shit, let's go.
All right.
Now I ain't gotta worry about this. I thought I was going to have to deal with this tomorrow, but got it off today. Thank you, son.
Some tires.
That's right. Pinkie's Finest Trucking LLC. If you need your junk removed within the Charlotte, North Carolina, parts of South Carolina,
hit us up.
The surrounding area of Charlotte, Concord, Statesville,
all of it.
Hit us up.
You know?
Only serious inquiries only, not your perverts, not people that's trying to do crazy mess, because I don't get down like that. I'm totally professional.
Yeah,
all right? Not even. So you guys have the day that you deserve. Until then, chuck them up. You chuck them. All right, y'all.